Good morning, ninth grade. This is Mrs. Malthera, your college and career counselor, to introduce you to the high school Zello platform. This is where you're going to be doing lessons every year to help you explore and build on your career goals. It's also going to be your main hub for your college applications your senior year. So the sooner we become used to Zello, the easier life's going to be. And I'm going to walk you through some of the things that you can do starting this year right now. Your college and career planning literally begins right now, and the ninth grade lesson we're going to focus on today is one of my favorite because it's all about you. It's about your preferred study and learning methods, how to talk about your personality, and exploring careers that align with your interests and your goals. So let's go ahead and get started. When you sign into Zello, you will see this as your homepage. The 0% means that you have completed 0% of your lessons for this year. 50% means you've completed one lesson. The goal is 100%, and that means you've completed both lessons for the year. The lesson we're going to focus on today, even if you have not finished the first lesson, is called Complete About Me Assessments. So you're going to go ahead and click on the link, whether it's up here or down here that says Complete About Me Assessments. You're going to have 3 quizzes to take that are going to be all about you. Again, Matchmaker is going to align your interests and goals to careers. So if you tell Matchmaker, for example, that you're not interested in continuing your education, it's only going to match you with careers that do not require continuing your education after high school. Personality quiz is a great way to learn more about yourself. If you're ever in an interview and are asked to talk about your strengths and weaknesses, this is a great place to pull from. And then, of course, on the last step, it's going to pull it all together and talk about what kinds of careers align with who you are as a person and what kinds of careers people with your qualities tend to gravitate towards. So you'll go through these quizzes one at a time. When you're done with the entire lesson, you might notice that it does not say complete yet. So if you click on through every quiz and the lesson is still not reading as complete, you may just need to complete your very last reflection question. So if you finish all of the quizzes and you see matchmakers checked off here, you see personality style is checked off here, and you see mission complete is also checked off, go ahead and click the Complete About Me Assessments link one more time. It will prompt you to read and reflect on a short reflection question, and then be sure to scroll down and click Submit, and that will officially mark the lesson as complete. If you have any questions at all, raise your hand. Your teacher's going to be working with you, as well as counselors and administrators will be pushing in to help you make sure you're getting the most out of this activity. And of course, if you ever have any questions about Zello or your future, you can always come chat with me, Mrs. Malthera.